Good morning to everybody. I am Krishna Mohan, Workshop Superintendent in SRS Government Polytechnic, Siricilla, Karimnagar District, Andhra Pradesh. Now I am discussing about lathe machine principle and operations performed. Lathe machine is a tool. Workpiece is held between two rigid and strong supporters. These supporters are called centers, faceplate, and a check. These holding tools are rotated. The cutting tool is rigidly held in a tool post. It is fed against the revolving workpiece. Cutting operations are performed with the cutting tool parallel to the axis of the workpiece, right angle to the axis of workpiece. Now we see the principle of lathe on the figure. This is the workpiece. This is the tool. Workpiece is rotated. Tool is fed against the workpiece. These are the centers. Now we observe the animation of the workpiece and tool in this slide. Cutting tool may also be fed at an angle relative to the axis of work for many taper on angles. So you tilt the tool as per your desire of the operations. The engine lathe is an accurate and versatile machine on which many operations can be performed. So we are discuss about the various operations performed on the lathe machine. So now we discuss the operations. The operations are plane turning and step turning, facing and parting. These are the three fundamental operations performed on the lathe machine. Next one, drilling, reaming and boring. Next, knurling, grooving and threading. These are the total 9 operations performed on the lathe machine. Due to that, lathe machine is an important machine tool in workshop. Thank you. See you again.